Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add keyframes on CapCut PC. So you can add keyframes to your videos like this. So add in a keyframe here, and wherever you want you can scale it. You can even like rotate it a little bit here. And then here I'm just going to double tap on both so that it's in the same position again. You can also do that to video effects as well. So, and filters. So I'm just going to add this noise effect, and I can gradually add it to the video. So add in a keyframe, make it 0, and then like here I'm just going to make it like 100%. So it's like slow and then it goes really fast. Same with filters, you can do that as well. Adjustments, there's just a lot you can do with keyframes. So here, add in a keyframe here, put it to 0, and then here I'm going to place it at 100%, and then here 0 again. You can also do it for text, add it and then place it here. You can do the same thing. So I'm just going to add a keyframe in this transform. You can also do it in colors. There's just a lot to do with keyframes. Like that. Again, if you want with colors, select your text, add in a keyframe here, and then if you want to change it to some other color, just select another color, and then you can select another color here, maybe like a red one. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, one thing, you can also do it with audio. So here, for instance, you can keyframe it here, make it like louder and quieter. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!